Harmony one holder, this is very urgent update because my brother, the holder is starting doing very big mistake, my brother. And absolutely, if you are doing this mistake, you are completely in the loss, my brother. You know what's the mistake? I will tell you, but kindly before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. This time, the last 1 hour chart, this is the update. You can see my brother, plus 0.68%. The price is increased now, so it's mean to this is gonna be very good, my friend. And then new month, especially in this month, my friend, in the June. But if we check out the last 7 days chart, we understand, my brothers, they are in the loss, why they are in the loss, and what's the mistake, and how we are be safe from the loss, my brother. So you can see harmony as well as down, especially, my brother, at this point. May 28 and May 29, you can see they take a very bad dump, my brother. You can see here, but after that dump, you can see they again starting moving upward. So definitely after this point, if they starting moving upward, then definitely it's a very good news, my brother, for all holders to they starting moving upward very fastly. So holders, don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss, my brother. The mistake is that, my brothers, to you are starting selling. If you are starting selling or in a wrong time, exactly, my brother, they are in the loss, and you cannot, my friend, you cannot take a profit, my brother. So don't see this short fails. Absolutely, after a short fails, definitely, my friends, they take a very huge jump. So I think you wait for this jump, my brother. You can see here, after this point, if they fails down, absolutely after this point they take a very huge jump. So they already, my friends, you can see this fail, they recover, my brother, they recover this price. So I hope in upcoming times the price will be give 0.5 USD dollar. They will hit, my friend, half USD dollar. So you need to hold. If you are hold, then absolutely the price will be fastly increasing now. So kindly, I have one request to hold it, because at the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down, but in this month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So definitely harmony, one of the unique to they fails down, but definitely, my friends, I think don't see this short fail, because you can see they also fail. This also starting upward. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching harmony one holder. Please, you can see, my brother, this time the 3 days chart is on the screen, and minus plus 13.18% they moving upward. So definitely it's a good news for all of you, my brother. Hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the harmony one will make you a millionaire, will give you very good profit if you are hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and yeah, also press the bell icon for videos notification.